Sit-ups are a classic exercise that has stood the test of time due to its effectiveness in strengthening the core muscles. Whether you're an athlete, fitness enthusiast, or someone looking to improve their overall health and fitness, incorporating sit-ups into your workout routine can yield numerous benefits. In this video, I'll tell you what will happen to your body if you sit UPS every day. So, watch the video till the end, it will be interesting. By targeting multiple muscle groups, sit-ups provide a challenging yet rewarding exercise experience. In this article, we will explore the benefits of doing sit-ups and how they can positively impact your physical well-being. Core strength. Sit-ups primarily target the abdominal muscles, including the rectus abdominis and obliques. Regular practice of sit-ups helps to strengthen and tone these muscles, leading to a stronger core and improved stability. Enhanced posture. Weak core muscles can contribute to poor posture. Sit-ups help to strengthen the muscles in your lower back, abdomen, and hips, leading to better alignment and improved posture. Improved flexibility. Sit-ups engage the hip flexors, which can become tight and inflexible with prolonged sitting. By regularly performing sit-ups, you can enhance the flexibility and range of motion in your hip flexor muscles. Increased overall strength. Sit-ups engage not only the core muscles but also the muscles in your chest, shoulders, and lower back. As a compound exercise, sit-ups contribute to overall body strength and fitness. Fat burning. Sit-ups are an effective exercise for burning calories and shedding excess body fat. Engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously during sit-ups increases the metabolic rate, promoting fat loss. Abdominal definition. Sit-ups are known for their ability to sculpt and define the abdominal muscles. Regular practice can lead to improved muscle definition and a more toned midsection. Improved athletic performance. Strong core muscles are essential for optimal athletic performance in various sports and activities. Sit-ups can enhance your overall performance by improving stability, balance, and power transfer between the upper and lower body. Injury prevention. A strong core is crucial for maintaining proper body mechanics and reducing the risk of injuries, particularly in the lower back. By strengthening the core muscles, sit-ups help to stabilize the spine and prevent common injuries. Enhanced balance and coordination. Sit-ups require balance and coordination to perform correctly. By consistently practicing sit-ups, you can improve these skills, leading to better overall body control and stability. Improved digestion. The rhythmic movement involved in sit-ups can stimulate the digestive system and promote better digestion. Regular sit-ups may help alleviate constipation and improve overall gastrointestinal health. Stress relief. Like any form of exercise, sit-ups release endorphins, the body's natural feel-good hormones. Regular practice of sit-ups can help reduce stress and promote a more positive mood. Convenient and versatile. Sit-ups can be performed virtually anywhere, requiring minimal equipment. They can be modified to suit different fitness levels, making them a versatile exercise option for individuals of all abilities. Low impact. Unlike high-impact exercises like running or jumping, sit-ups are low impact, meaning they place less stress on the joints. This makes sit-ups a suitable exercise choice for individuals with joint conditions or those recovering from injuries. Improved spinal stability. Sit-ups strengthen the muscles surrounding the spine, contributing to better spinal stability and reduced risk of back pain. Increased energy levels. Regular exercise, including sit-ups, can boost energy levels and combat feelings of fatigue. By incorporating sit-ups into your routine, you can experience increased vitality and improved overall well-being. Incorporating sit-ups into your fitness routine can offer a multitude of benefits, ranging from improved core strength and posture to increased overall strength and energy levels. Thank you for watching and being a part of our YouTube channel. We appreciate your support and hope you enjoyed the content. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Stay tuned and keep exploring with us. See you in the next video.